So you're saying she never inhaled the out?
Proof would be in her blood, how things stays in the system, 48 hours.
How pleased am I that I got a sample of her blood? So you go check at the lab, see how it turned out.
Damn it. I wanted to carry the ball with my line.
We just picked up our kidnapper Chip, so...
It's okay,
It's
Diesel.
not supposed to make a deal. No deals. We know what Chip has to offer. Oh, yeah, Kreskin, what's that? Laura Garris, the victim. The accomplice.
On Saturday, December 8th, watch the best young fighters in the UFC live and free on the Ultimate Fighter finale. But first, see who fought their way to a shot at glory with every episode of this season's Ultimate Fighter back-to-back. The Ultimate Fighter Marathon, Saturday, December 8th, starting at 9, followed by the live Ultimate Fighter finale.